This is what I do when I can't sit outside anymore in the rain. I just open up the garage door and I sit right here in my lawn chair. Same thing. It's actually not as bad right this moment as it was about 5 minutes ago. But it has been thundering. I haven't seen any lightning, but you can hear it thundering. Oh, there's the lightning. I just saw it. It was up over there somewhere. Yeah, baby, that sounded good. This is one of the cheapest joys in life, is when you're like me and you like rainstorms, that you can sit out in the lawn chair like this in the garage and just enjoy watching this. It's what we call sleeping weather.